So, it depends eh.
Opo.
Depende sa ano eh.
Hindi yun siguro
Ayaw
yung
niya.
gender
Gusto
identity
niya,
niya.
tawagin mo siyang gay.
Okay po, yun. That's an
But
example
why
of sexual
that
gender identity.
90 letters? Why not just Homo sapiens? We're all
Yes.
the same.
Yes, Mr. President. Totoo po. We are all Homo sapiens. We are all human beings. We are all one species.
Why do we have to segregate the gays from the lesbians, from
we
the
are...
straight guys?
Hindi po sana kailangang mag-segregate, Mr. President. I agree with you. Kung yung human civilization natin at mga societies natin, pati Philippine society, nag-evolve to the point na walang diskriminasyon. May equality among all, regardless of identity, regardless of expression. Kaya lang po hindi ganon ang nangyayari.